Today is Monday, June 20th. The big news today is that the forces that want to vote Britain to stay in the EU seem to have edged ahead, and the markets are going crazy. Big gains overnight all around the globe. So let's take a look at some British currencies and other things that might be related to it. As you can see here, when the forces for remaining started to win a little bit over the last couple of trading days, you can see it bounced back over this broken trend line. So you can see it there in the morning. This is the FXB ETF. It's not nearly as active as the real currency market, but it's a simple thing to look at and plot. So while it's back above the short-term breakdown, negating it, you can guess that it's really not doing much over here. And that trend line, the falling trend line, is not broken. So this is a reaction so far. It's not a breakout yet. It has potential. Breakdown failure is a potential to go the other way, but still the longer trend line, the larger trend line from the peak in 2014 is still intact. Take a quick look at Euro, again with the ETFs not nearly as active as the main currency. Bounce off the trend line there. Alright, little gain, of course a nice gain after this Bremain taking over from Brexit. And again, that's just for today. We'll see what happens tomorrow. Take a look at gold ETF, GLD. Zoom in a little bit. You can see that there was a false breakout last week. Let's really get in there. And a bearish reversal as the feeling that Britain would vote to remain took hold. This was the day of the assassination of the lawmaker over there. Alright, so this is a breakout failure so far in gold. Now let's do the real thing here. Gold in terms of euros. Gold price in euros, and we'll use GLD and FXE as proxies. Use the colon there to do the ratio. Looks very much like gold priced in dollars. So let's zoom in a little bit. Kind of looks like a cup with handle pattern here. So there's something just to watch. This could be a handle and a breakout. Handles can come in triangle form. You can see that even with today's drop in this ratio, gold priced in euros, it's still above that breakout. Of course, you'd want it to be above the top of this cup here. That would be even better signal. But so far, this is still noise. Lots of uncertainty to go. A couple more days before the vote. So I like to look at these charts, get an idea of what's going to happen, and if they move through certain levels, then I'll know probably with confidence if there's something to be done.